Hello, saving adventurers! Welcome to M Squared, where we tackle life's financial curveballs with humor, heart, and a dash of caffeine-fueled determination. Today, we're diving into the strange world of things people are giving up because of sky-high prices. Trust me, some of these will surprise you, and others, well, let's just say you'll laugh, you'll cry, and maybe you'll even nod your head in agreement. I'll give you real-life saving examples and practical tips to keep your wallet happy. So stick around because the saving ideas in this video could fund your next dream vacation, or at least a fancy coffee maker. Let's get to it. The $6 latte, it's delicious, it's trendy, and it's slowly emptying your wallet. If you grab one every day, that's about $1,800 a year. Ouch! The solution? Buy a $100 coffee maker, spend $20 a month on coffee beans, and suddenly you're saving over $1,500 a year. Plus, you can wear pajamas while enjoying your latte. Can't beat that. Paying $120 a month for 500 channels you don't watch is so 2010. That adds up to almost $1,500 a year. People are cutting the cord and switching to streaming services like Netflix or Disney, plus for $10 to $20 a month. Save about $1,000 a year and still watch your favorite shows. Bonus tip: share accounts with friends or family to save even more. We all love eating out, but those $40 dinners add up fast. One weekly restaurant visit can cost you around $2,000 a year. Instead, people are embracing home cooking. A family meal at home can cost $10 to $15. Over the year, that's a savings of $1,500 or more, and you can customize your portions. Hate cilantro? Problem solved. Gym memberships sound great until you realize you're paying $50 a month to avoid eye contact with the treadmill. That's $600 a year you could be saving. Instead, try free YouTube workouts, download a fitness app, or hit your local park for a run or some yoga. You'll stay fit, and so will your bank account. Going to the movies used to be a treat, but now, a family outing costs over $100 with tickets, popcorn, and drinks. That's easily $500 or more a year if you go semi-regularly. Instead, set up your own home theater with streaming platforms, some microwave popcorn, and a cozy blanket. Same entertainment, way less cash. Let's be real. Spending $300 on a t-shirt isn't so cool when you realize you can get 10 t-shirts for that price elsewhere. People are hitting up thrift stores, buying fast fashion, or even making their own clothes. You'll still look fabulous while saving hundreds or even thousands of dollars a year. Plus, it's better for the planet, a win for fashion. An all-inclusive trip to paradise sounds dreamy until you see that $5,000 price tag. People are opting for budget-friendly travel like camping, road trips, or exploring local sites. Staycations are also making a comeback. Savings? Up to $4,000 a year depending on how fancy you like your trips. These monthly deliveries are fun, but at $30 or $50 each they can cost $600 or more a year. People are canceling them and using the money for essentials or saving up for a bigger treat. Trust me, you won't miss that third scented candle box. Hair salon visits for cuts, colors, and treatments can easily cost you $1,000 a year or more. Instead, people are learning to cut their own hair or spacing out visits. YouTube tutorials are a lifesaver here. Plus, rocking a natural look is in. As much as we love seeing our favorite artists live, ticket prices are getting ridiculous. Between tickets, parking, and merchandise, a single concert can cost over $200. Fans are skipping the pricey shows and enjoying live streams or recorded performances, saving hundreds of dollars and avoiding the sweaty crowds. Yes, please. Organic food is great for your health, but not so great for your wallet. Organic produce often costs 30 to 50% more than conventional options. Many are prioritizing their budget over organic labels. Shopping at farmers markets or choosing fresh, non-organic produce can save $500 or more a year. Pet grooming and daycare services are super convenient, but they can cost anywhere from $500 to $1,000 a year, depending on your needs. Instead, people are grooming their pets at home or exchanging pet care favors with friends and family. Your dog will still look fabulous, and your wallet will thank you. Remember landlines? Me neither. Keeping one in addition to a cell phone plan can cost between $300 and $500 a year. The solution? Cut the cord and go mobile only. You'll save money and eliminate one more bill from your life. Private education can cost upwards of $15,000 a year, making it an expense few families can justify. Many are turning to excellent public schools, homeschooling, or online learning options. The savings are huge, and kids still get a great education. Want to remodel your kitchen? That'll be $20,000 at least, and that's if everything goes as planned. People are opting for smaller DIY upgrades. A fresh coat of paint or swapping out cabinet handles can transform a space for under $200. Save the big remodel for when prices come back down to earth. Cutting back doesn't mean cutting out the fun. It's about making smart swaps that keep your bank account happy while still living your best life. If you liked this video, you're going to love the one popping up on your screen now. It's packed with tips to help you save and thrive. Click on it, and I'll see you on the other side.